Today is Monday, August 9th. This is the 1967 to 1976 Cadillac Eldorado dual pulley A6 Frigidaire air compressor. This is the original vintage period correct air compressor for the Eldorado as depicted by the dual pulleys. This is a beautiful NRS unit. Has the original model number 5910725. And this is the cast iron A6 Frigidaire compressor used exclusively by General Motors. And it's Eldorado specific in that it has the dual pulleys as opposed to the single pulley, which is typical configuration for the DeVille. So this is an Eldorado specific compressor. And this will be going to my friend Yulia Lenikova in Russia, being advanced through Mr. Randolph in New York, ultimately ending up in Russia. So there we go. We're selling air compressors, Eldorado dual pulley air compressors, to our friends in Russia. So this will be going out today as soon as I get the okay to ship reply confirmation. This is an absolutely beautiful show quality unit. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 to 1978 overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, including the one-year-only 1969 rim blow steering wheel, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, door lock solenoids, actuating buttons for the power door locks and windows, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Monday, August 9th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.